African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.
Yo, mi apun bola ma da kuna mi be mi cha be ngba TV. Ba ndi ona be wona ike mi atano popom ndi shandile mi apa TV oji. Do mo chocho kara va la be. Ya ko mo wa da funami. Yetai o be gbe bo wona wa chure akpa ve ne. To ni magba ka kwi mi apon ndi ona ho nyamo jopaji. Ka manda kwa na mi apa ho chichina mi cha. Ntomo pa sota pa hamela Honorable Richmond Adam Kofi Potosu ika do gbanami la gaba ya pona no nya boro ka Honorable Alikam Chomobuo yenya makpepe ika la gbon abia mo do to la nya race teachers ma moto ya na cho BNI junction la powerhouse akbani dak banen nya ka tayo ka do gbanam afi mitan wona won Mia atung enya ka baro yo ke zunya jogan yo ke le mia pa ya balance ke na mi choi cho kanyi pla fanya pa ku mo bu wai a sheka nya hodo juma kya ma hodo mo chuchu ki alo ba da shina cho e pa ba da bo na jorma mi nya ba wo weli nya weli +23242670773 e number ikemi aton acho ako ache kapaprim alikam wezo
Pere kuyolo ya wele doji
yo mawi
ya
yo nyade kenya nyai kakarime pa apology konko konye de tubivi ai ke trauma gwe aloku doko Misa Sembe Innocentia Avenue Kenya level 200 of Suku via the University of Cape Coast Trumagba me knowledge ya o pajiba eu classmate o amela homa pelo ko Mario Banava ko bai na bako do yi magambo ka an ku kwara na do pajiba ada magbana for scholarship scheme.
Okay.
For beneficiary de Kenya Tacho Ketu North.
Okay.
Jujeng to Mamolo. The to be via for motor upon so valuable Ucho yo vehicle Nchila Ukbo Lachaputu Chodare Apology Chachame Europe Manatote. Amano Lumber wood non Japan Chimwaro a Hamaletepo.
Okay.
Otote kake povito to pa pero pajiba yo bela chapa to fu de la we vai na duanya
Okay.
be nyate pa nyale join afio ba kwe de yeshi ta kwe de teaching hospital Cape Coast Hospital Regional Hospital povito lo pejia ba funo do chongo chimani akayo mona ne kelenchi ke fiaba do khlan na ne dia lo do nyar kalamo ta fi fiafi nyamo jo jobo ma chen nya agbanto majiba makoron kuma yo anya era free aga ka banya to baba na kuma honorable ale kenya kakam the phonology make everything ma mole ba o den chune non via bele deviant to no tata cha cha ya mo jini nko fia ngimi atocho non via no tata ma je TV aji mi de non via no tata TV aji innocentia avinu fo no tata ya mo troro mo
yo ape me dogbene Bengba TV kola katan ple ya to ndi stopiti ple gana to katan ndi sende o ko mo dare Bengba TV be yo asenya de to nya heva echoya edefu viebe jila po vijika ka wabado stage makwa nwa ajo siga enye bebe sesegede and then no chenye jila la wa fili wano duo susu bubeo kaka do stage ma enye no sesen yake the other leg of the story here mu kale gbogbo he kale fude akobe ebale different from Ekito block police ole because enu ojo fa amo paint picture gidi be online be ebe nukedalo amo be ritual meda ye kulito no story of us for akenuko ojo ajibe clarification eba be naneke meji sigbebe online pe nanekeda ta efia be rumor ma pele ema obete mikwedakpa now to the investigation so Malaysia police will take over la wa investigate nugede they may have access to the phone check call logs split all what don't have access to the call log and make it hope on the last nuke have no job and make you epitela wa have access to information ma opete
that is neighbor funa ele melenchi okwa chapam no to go back if you know chemi polo TV ajema innocent avinule miapa mapupundi ya ropeji wa echo katuno suntuame
okay
alwe pa so takwe hame ya nye adama ba alwe scholarship program arijiole hafi hey afima ko angma kupu ke miagbo ronshenya ba amekla suko amekla pomekli hall alo hostel it's actually a hostel blibo blomba loko yona va ma eko yikoma da yema
ta eno ebronya debe efefuna mekwe de yame obe amede yue amele sure be godo police wa have access
yeah no via dogo kwa do phone
wa ko fe call logs ewe even the phone mele gbo kake network providers ola they are ton have access to the history I make sure go get them up the conversation number madole number track bebe they know your offina if there's any nukebewa have access to call you normally let me call the back end they don't have the record of conversations so of the which are privacy confidential issues with our review the often investigation as this maybe what don't have access to numa call log ma even the conversation plan ma bel no often play back to neda le call you because let's suspecting the menyebe echifupo ya echileu it could be be ame dovo de akweba bad the vie by agbeda first of police o Malaysia be wa treat as a murder case happy no bale yi ne other revelations so bale baba happy wa nyale ke wawo kake no ko abemi ape du koma evale quite elefude no evale ji this no ya o me yi na ji sigbegbo kake no ko baso abe fifie ke a alo yi ke toma mile nyao se enu bada o de view wa osusu bada dada ya no so the last time me no brole fie but there was one guy there maybe ajira funale Gigi or something ya yo no ba de ele lantra ajira ya ba to ami ekwa menya chejo ami elewu ya wi vola ya kwede gbagbare me atoju wo le achimota road ono dika aka njo police overlay ekplo ifike utoju gbagbale ya ukoya pe ukoju so some of these things if I remember he will know be something one guy there's one like over to floor state or something it's just some young guy that go I have that idea mindset my be ya wo ami atoju gwa already then where are we coming heading to edefu ta Malaysia be egbobe some of them to na investigations or cheleki e do le didi mele conclusive kaba about that maybe probably mele deterrent meba live alo punishment here no one abeta na be amokale more emboldened. Similarly, a security service person, military, don't go imagine a crowd on the book, a home block Ganyadon Yaseko Yawu, a home to work out West Ronche, I believe they took it that a home yajo, we as a security service person, military. So, event over the box and so Malaysia with this very one, and the carry here at least I cause some, then around Beniapo, a usual electro. Because the punishment definitely, I'm one or some of these things, maybe China or other countries, I want to make sure about you go through similar pain. Which I joke me, Hambo Quella, when you have no mouth. Kakamia or Nova Kamano Court, and I know Nuduakano like a dominant quality, or a immigration officer issue. But at times, I'm here until proving guilty, LA innocent. So, yeah, but it's just unfortunate. Jilawa Bobio Jika Kawado stage Makwaba is Belai Defo. Kakemele show by security service and me trust way. Open there, I know obey you investigate and make sure that you are Lama cover. Yeah, now open door. This time around, me show be. Wow, open door and Lucian he was a Mosia Mokijiwa too. And make sure I make a he one you lear. Me show be way. At least the punishment echaba na servers deterrent me amegidi because imaton build a more peaceful society with this kind of attitude. What's the impression? Even foreigners coming in, tourists coming in, what impression Camille creating about Singapore country? That is very important. In the investigation and then get them a no lama, whatever punitive mukewakone, no way.
Yo, nyai kachum ya pa ntoma lo kamikum. Manyang toma pa chuchure reko ake kanya pa dete nyonyok la adang kawe atado na sohyon kanya ta strong. Yo me joba. Me fiaba non jure shaka do ma po me fia ina chapu toko o ina ugo. Chaba make choba give plave ye to na ba ko ina waka o ba nyom fi wa ba fi no ajo na on strong chomiom afina no kacha chama plamare afina jara hiama plamare afina no zone ya o kuma vision plamare ajo na lang plamam ya nyama ni be blanc bo suma pa ni mo bo mo ble bu ame o ya bu bi mi ko innocence o nya dara pa fi ya ti jinel mi na ya bu bo indo baba no kuma ha ka ke be blanc bo suma pa be bo suma suri kiji nyon vi o nchuga ma chi kama ka hona yo ko forma no me ko ka pleru plato uha me nyenki kwa na tugo da
nyama glo ya element because amedo social media ile duko ya medi ya be Facebook Nigeria video ko non vi na be tonko odoku ba o in Nigeria be you then to be to be ya me o kidnap edo che o wude o kidnap over Facebook ya meet amieko pa edoku ko yi at least nyami wa wonu ka nyami enyo de se de aka o nyami oko edoku yi at the risk, I think I don't know. I've got a discipline, Charlie, because if the discipline la here me there, and you have that for dela, and we are ma no bobo na yoro. That even at the point even elechichi kwachedi, discipline that no me way. Kaka no me take no ko ame anofiko be dogo ame le Facebook ele takwa pa dogo itakwa. Maybe I don't know yet much in a cometore ko much na merekera.
A do crown, sino high school ya romi sawa ayo do screen jo. Kosirava fi ro wa poma. Eu do school ala do ma ka foi mo va la bangwe. Ela nchuba kosirava. Chui ka chiawa ba ko bablava. Da bu blanco smart pa. You must say, Nyabro and Yave, maybe me a shino.
Oh, yes, oh, yeah.
Tamani me lift ya, me more from Kafla, ya, cuckoo, yeah. I can't yam all of my bar, and you are strong. cho miombo ta nka o me achapwa to alodo lo jo so boji chocho ya achapwa to and is it na makua me sham na bo no garama even na me ba yue me ba ke ha gbogbo mo data bu na mi aba so pele mi aba ko bito atagbonbo po atabiama be nke we ka ba kwewe obo ma hia atagbon be me hia nye che ade kunjo la gba ko de tue jigboje po tro ko ne we fine ayo ba ke aro ko ba kwa me ko pu amar ko pu nye ho akenwi ke jibno gbo ko no fu ne be che he ha pa yon ka brother we o lo ben ruki dai ko kwe ho ko ku me ke wi aba me hia me chu gbogbo kenya mi ko gbe na gbogbo ya
me ke wi
me ke wi abo ma me hia abo ma jimi le
me hia
Embedded the year, let's stop on part. Everyone bring it gbogbo let's stop on part all like but kun ha me baba sasa do na mi we nya fika we aponya egbom la bono do na mi raba
me hia.
You understand? So now I'm a prayer God. There will always death is life's greatest mystery. Now me there will always be a dark area.
Oh yeah, sure.
There will always be a dark area. Police or no, there will always be a dark area. That is why you must be careful.
The camera.
Azambo
the camera.
Azambo.
So, but the other instance, Jack, okay, I'm about today. Many a chief for you. Maybe over monitor for the Abaco Contechema, so bad. Then you cover up Nanata. But let's show the police make a investigate look at it and when you're a whole hostel, a holy, maybe I make a young low, a low make a low, even if it's the first time, yeah, I'm merely with your crowd, then at 2 years. Maybe probably I don't know how they actually for your safety.
Oh, Melon now.
Or security, because first time, la, or menyamio. Because make a hunch no natural, maybe one yamaki, I don't know you are going to watch and I make a yoel that yet to pay. Than a more dollar, a honor directly, Yamake, they could global humble, I made a year, I'm yet to pay. And then that is all. Meanwhile, you see, another day, no global, no let the particular melody. Many say they said our corner, at least, and Yabelle, may you feel my value. And not a day, at times, no, no, Edgemina, fake a year, at least, never bomb a year, catch it, Edgemina. For me, especially Mazomo, hello, yeah. Okay, may you feel a dog I have some a dog job account like GT. I'm recommending now. I come here, I cry some dog. I have an account at GT Django. Maybe I'm recommending now. There's more money there. That maybe I think that something happened in the now we didn't know. You open for account GT. So there are certain things not know are there at least. Because here me no get the job now. Even though maybe I face secret or I can't the responsibility then at least I may have that security look at then la modome oh may you feel my value allow make you allow make it but if anything happens they know be fikiri I can't be me ni so secretive allow be me ba mo no nya me afa move where allow no ya also but I'm sure after investigation I say no get it I can't be me strong I'm on TikTok for your you meet on TikTok, then you run and meanwhile, when I'm just that I'm really nice to you on TikTok or Facebook. Maybe I'm here and already. That's nice nowadays. I don't know nowadays. Maybe I'm the Kokoro Nudele Corner. Then I could play I know Fifine. Although I local or Nilo and go to the Kokoro, what you let Joe. Meanwhile, which the agenda de la Sueta a corner.
Anyway, report over Yokwele Hatchland Beach.
Okay.
Only manyana na chapu mina na few mila yoga tunede.
Yeah.
Nyam tomo experiment ma chachi ra chapu to la khajona mako penda ra chakwama. Fia kemi de pena.
Yeah.
Chuya fuma to gaba chido ma. Onye examination nyanyi tonye science ma mo oceanography lo ga observation.
Okay.
Chapu asasana kana over with when I'm
yeah.
I put that in Wakbama, okay, slide now.
Okay.
Kaka Chapama Tutua, Manyan Sasarako. Hatland Beach, Afumano, You can like that's an interesting thing. I may be wrong, but that's my observation.
Yeah, so
That
one
beach over Kwele. Nkana feel you tapabe beach. Nkenya beach. Aha. Da Bamaha Miata Alan Kurang Tetera Chapung for recreational purposes. Moha Choma Mokbunane for fire like TikTok. The via for phone by Nyamusi. Gono Plerota in a chapwa Magareva. O hajine to via o cho a chiplo the songra chapo man ke jon ke na joko chapa fodure Jesus sian legbegbe do afifa Jesus yo ta ko for wo mra ka na we kule
we so we ma so na we kule ka e ya la mele sure be investigation maybe it could be the alo achi for year maybe yan talk be ni aba no fiani atu achi pupo ya chemia alo ya o achilia that election investigation I will get it for now la matter conclude okay amede obi be anto de achi pupo ya na alo mere yu ebo netu ile maybe etu amiefo ya bo ni aba puchi vide ya fe no ojota investigation I will look at it election be no examine body ya wanya bo ne ka mere no mi alo na ne where maybe probably investigation anamianya.
Well, Mianvia Kai Manoku Sogbo the message ram chowe. It is so sad that this fine girl is found dead in Cape Coast at a beach. Police should investigate well and punish those who are the perpetrators. All right. Good morning, my brother Tony. All right, thank you for your message. So I think we're all hoping and looking forward to that. Onyemi lem tuma mahoko made Victor Beho.
Yeah.
Victor Beho. Ike Trumagwe Victor Beho dies at 91. The towering diplomat James Victor Beho, whose deft stewardship of foreign policy shaped Ghana and West Africa for decades, has died. His passing closes an era defined by multilateral finesse, principled negotiation, and unwavering devotion to regional integration. Miatogbi appointment TV ajia in Ghana for foreign minister Hoho Kenya Victor Beho. Kra evaji ECOWAS. Ako do for le ECOWAS maha le my mom won te palwe bo nyaji re kako mapola yagbe le Equafo Hall. 2005 ono political program around open discipline PP alabo major retired courage Kwashigan time man minister of agric no Kufo no don Kufo 2004 maume ke eva fifi kwete eva ema fifi kwete no gbagbaje mbe azo member parliament le Ketu South Africa Mafuma as a speaker. Very first speaker at that time. Alaba Miatogbi Momile TV Ajia. Ikanye Victor Behua. Anya guest speaker on Foncho. Okay, it was Anglo Student Society, yes. Anglo Students Union. Anglo Students Union. Anglo Students Union, yeah, Madon Kuji. We Pameo, Anglo heavy anglo hamong amat beri perkang tome yo baba pungko punang boko blau anya ang alek bebe jo foreign policy nchi natko madong kujiba manyachon chema mamlo kata nikperalahoide.com
so akbe at least ache ewotosunu and then looking at the age Malaysia be share experience with the upcoming youth allow the kakwe okitole get the politics malo ho ole make available allow getting themselves ready then you are serving public officer Malaysia be pick advice kidi chugbo so kun menya be the bobe himi ape MP hezu Minister of Foreign Affairs honorable Kujetu Black one menya be time aho no diplomat o meet eba dogu ya chair kake Malaysia be ne ho dogu ya chair pick few lessons cho webo Imiacha Aton redefine like our as a foreign affairs minister. At least this is get a chunk from as foreign affairs minister by the ECOWAS, Evanya UN representative to Somalia to those days, and a well-respected diplomat. At this stage, yes, actually, I was also. And then Malaysia, but the family were very proud of him as well.
Yeah.
Maybe why can go Ekajo Kabakba. Okay, at least 91, yeah. At least Mao Oble Bibla Medo, Miafa Bebe, Catania, Susoya, Nuya, so I told my Joho 91 ta. Me that when my other effect better. And then Miafa Queen play for me torture. I will both ame Kuta, play Ghana Blibo. I mean that when the door now, a doctor who on the Ghana. In Abe Ghana, Mika Bo. JJ me de alo mi ka po nukida mi da pene de bedo na ota akwe
me no Frankie do message number. Oh man, what a man they had. We learned a lot from you growing up. Rest in peace, sir. Okay, so nkena do let me, what did you learn from him? Because my mom nyama doga.
Yeah.
Nyayo blomi ni ko nyama ofum kaka o fum o blo lebede yakra me glo mejo kori ko shiga glo be de Israel doku amofun for bodom aka bo badi to aba cable to impumene le Israel onya me bo le yibo bo chiri ko togo ne togi ganga ye ko nyami ka me remember le ansu meeting ma anglo students union but where manya be philanthropist onye enta na bia me ke me church bo bia bo onya me o sponsor.
Yeah.
Program a o deka danya gade de ko so chubo la be anglo groups okata student groups okata yo kecho bamaji kitasco siko aseko kata ono leta anglo ndo ribe experience nyang ma ko so ka wo Frankie ni ka tutu na bo yo so cho mia to bi be ho tell us some of them. Kabila do much remember great soul, rest well, sir. All right, thank you for your message. Esinando message number. Philip Beho composed the national anthem, tune and words. Nkrumah had it rearranged in the Soviet Union.
Okay, Philip Beho, father. Victor Beho, father.
Victor Beho, father.
Play part in the national anthem.
Oh, Bugona Brana Mineta, America Kufia,
F4.
Yeah,
I play part in the Ghana national
anthem. Okay.
I redefine, refine his own. But every father was
every father.
Part, yeah.
Okay, all right. So, Dunya, being strong,
yeah, sure.
Ghana's national anthem will be played across the world on 17th of June 2026. When the tune strikes, the world shall remember you, Victor Beho, and most especially your father. Message yacho miano vi esinangbo miankosem cho afariwa. All right, so we thank you for your message as well. Maga Jire, that message reka. Gideon Dako do message rambe. There goes a great public servant. Rest well. All right. Thank you for your message. Maybe last one. I'll see another one. Chris, a great. Oh, yeah. I'm not going to chome amolo. Africa mile na kujo. New York, Nyamyomi, Jinami,
story about this story.
All right, Titus, Uncle Victor, rest in peace. I remember when you used to visit us in our place in Laboni at number 10 Orphan Crescent as the head of State Protocol Department then. Then when Awomefia Togbi at the Lajan would visit Papa for the weeks and stay at the penthouse, Papa Vite and all the very important Ewe-Anglo leaders could come around to visit, including my cousin, late CK Ahiamble of TUC then. Rest well, Uncle Victor. That's how we called you when you came with the SPD vehicles. Then, all right, that was okay. Check up with me no come over yeah. Okay, last one. Jifa Megashiwe, Uncle Victor, a true statesman and a quintessential diplomat of rare distinction. May your life be a lasting comfort and inspiration of all of us who loved you so dearly. Rest in peace. Wow. About Jishipadaro. Last one, Agbeli Kumodi. May the soul, may he rest in peace. We shall miss you. Okay, Kabili, I don't message on the Matthias Alagboya. I want to know if there's Matthias Alagboya. Matthias Alagboya was my senior in Legon 1 year. Now, Nanya where then you send me, you let me know. All right, honorable. Yeah, we'll just go 1 second. Na put Namiko, you go for break.
You akpe. That here is a commentary. Akpe. Live a very exemplary life. I'm a giddy come into close contact. I know who was the player. Yeah, all the testifying there, door now that, a disciplined approach, and then play no out get it. I'm glad Locumia, do Baba Negana play a perfumato. And Malaysia Bay, and New Year, they say, I like a whole play a New Year. I'm over close as to the Alamos thrown to body. Why implement the Ghana Apple, TJ?
Akpe you have on bola elikam job no boy e ma parent me nyama drum am cha wo am chi show you me agbo that means from ya jan lecture can you really come at the phone and tanya ma ho don chuchu ki am ga jo no ma trova nya gra nya ma me ogbo.
Welcome to Rex Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tope. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Fraget Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne Chobie 9 Junction na the Fraget Hotel but 2222 afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact NiveAJ Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Oh. No silence ever English dictionary. Ya paper. But see dictionary ka so afi e passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can basic level, and you know American SHS, and you know American university, allow the language you then you make a maneuver with you, and be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary, and you know her. I'm a Sammy can never be mutual apple, and be a strong but no silence ever English dictionary, and you know mama. Yellow delay was so mad than a player at place order Amazon, allow number can follow screen idea. Opodometo le kana WhatsApp afisi africaine la nyako Nusilins Ever English Dictionary akwa koveno akpe Nusilins Ever English Dictionary enyonto
Ago. Oh, what is? Let go, Joel.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, go to put. I have too much ready toy. When it warms, but a killer.
Oh,
The room of a fun. They were not too much to move. Come on, not to go. Oh,
that another Abraham fever, a kind of lay. I party to point for boy hour. But the husband didn't know fear. Coco not do not forget when you are fun of passive and you will turn young Kurama. Well, a passive for your Hokatara.
when not to go.
Vai, Batacano Sugo, Itabica Dada Secremonton, Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
When you vola togo, you mon no Chicago, Mokbong Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika nyato motoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
mauna yura vola to onaula masa
vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pamela akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa adashina ndogawi efe pokana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola
Nina nemiayi vola basenda afima mi apoda yola nyadeba vola viva lo apluri le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite padaka oputo makata mele to won yido eti makolo no ba na ile vola heba center ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wonto kame wa oputo wo fukame fukame tutu dokada vola heba center Dr. Prosper Debeneva akodo come on
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hopo ye vo
yo mi apon polo akpana mi be mi le indiona pon indishanti toto mi ame o keten mi apa jerome ame ko ja ba chona mi apa kapomo anglo nana ramlo alo duna nana ke duna kwaji be nyata pe mi akpon akpana mi ala kala ke boba ke nyapa message so no vava mo kata khlaga ko afi wona na wona o jim la Facebook la YouTube mina mi anko san satellite ji mi gal multi TV ji ta pakman ni mi phone to india ke anyai ke galem nya bofia yenye mi apa nya jojo ike alo nya de like le tomo va bien ko oral operation recover all loot oral operation recover all loot adoma alo ma ko vina mi ata egba loko ko na mi ba yo molaga operation recover all loot fi aba mi abugo mi aho gasha ga ike olo ike nye du cover ga ap ta fora cheke jina mashame ke fi du ba ga lora cheke mo o tui obugo lo chobe ya mi cho tuto nyaya enya ke poke nyara ke egba no mo varvaro mi apo gba to nyo be operation recover all loot oral cases in court this week June 15 to 19 Ambe fifia o timetable na me miazon alo schedule na yi court kwa ko nyayo kala kota o na schedule de ke proceedings schedule of proceedings a clade na ma court gbere court ne ave he na yi ko gbagbo ma kpogena ma UK court share obo soro mafia criminal case le anyigba case la fie wo na ma ta to ni sha we to wo to yemana TV aji over oral cases in courts June 15 to 19, Monday 15, maybe Monday, 9 a.m. Elejira, Criminal Court 4, Republic versus Bernard Entry Boyshako, aka Chamawuntumi and 2 others. Summer Boy illegal mining case motion on notice for leave to withdraw as counsel. Ampiaku bibe ya emaga lawyer nyegene Chamawuntumi. Dr. Justice Shremsai, Deputy Attorney General Radio, Yele Nyama Jimmy Agwana Panka talk back of Yachuga, Yemalo Radio, Bongwana, Bobo, Shremsai not there. I feel Apia Kubi, not there. Alabas, Shremsai, Deputy Attorney General, Apia Kubi Magaju, da Hagba, Elejafma, Santo. Specialist Court versus Republic versus Hanan Abdul Wahab Elejegba Bafastock Fifi Nyaro Eleji Dapo Gawo Specialist Court 1 Republic versus Kwabena Edubwahin Yenye Signal Bureau Tore Cyber Security Dapo Gawo High Court Republic versus Osei Esibe Entry again a national service case Echo Eleji Criminal Court 1 Republic versus Akonta Mining and 3 others. If you ever want to be on Yaganyamaha, oh, want to be a lot of here. Criminal Court 4, Republic versus Gift Your Wari, National Service Nyama.
Yeah.
Okay, that on and on. Okay, me wekata. Wednesday, Criminal Court Republic versus Entry Boy Sheko. Oh, Jama want to me.
Bank to loan issue only.
Afi Thursday, June 18, General Jurisdiction 10. Republic versus Boysiaku chairman, it can exit bank loan case. Does he have enough time to prepare? Your lawyer, my baby, and a lawyer, the man will struggle. It's unfair. It's unfair. The law provisions that you should have enough time to prepare to defend yourself. That this is big persecution. Nanya we hade agba court try court anya vovovo no nya bia mo leken forget na Nigeria you need counsel and all that. Ka balade ka galemia gbofia ye ke makhlikomia onye be in the Superior Court of Adjudicature in the High Court of Justice Republic versus Bernard Entry Boysiako and Wontumi Thomas Entry Boysiako at large on notification of commencement of plea negotiation. We hereby notify the Honorable Court that the first accused person hereby has, through his counsel, Mr. Andy Apiakubi, Esquire, in a letter dated June 5, 2026, to the Honorable Attorney General, made a request to initiate a plea negotiation in request to the charges in the trial. Da a chopper case, a Kenya Exim Bank case, a Chohonia, Udagwa case, Chamautimbo Yerafuku, Yunachonia, Vapomonio, Yelakalo, Gasha, Gaka, Yahino Rashinchi. Bebu, but Chamautimbo Yemahia, Loko Garoshi, Yinko, Yuka, Banane, Copurico, Ho, Yabu, Renya, Herni. In fact, last time I spoke to him, to me, but Ampiakubi, General Court. But court here go to opposite customs. Fuma no yin connect bo won't me no is a sick man. It's a sick man. Honorable. Is this an admission of guilt? This plea bargain?
Yes, so na be plea bargain ya nye enu kede nye plan be no discuss. Be ne here nya be imedavo. Nka wa no be ne ahefie. Enya omedavo. Obe efikukulu ya okonya kova afiagbo efia same ya milenya drole yabo ya imedavo gakela ya kokokolo kove be mtifafa ne no ai ya be a kemene be ya kokokolo ve de kemene fe be efikokolo e mai because na home one o mecho no a no mecho gawa eze maje de majo ejia na ho yo be na wa ko wa defend ko we at the end of the day na he defend ko we ya se pobo o be jagoa kemi ya kwache de enyo be fife ke wa no bo garde se de ke ho be gbana lo izande majo ejia ti akwefe la e bia be elegiosi gake maybe me apesi echa make provision bene ho isi be ya nyabe o agojeje we to nyabe ya the playback early da na vane gake he obe efia akwe bene he interest waka da regional one na cover kwa kimi attorney general a consider
criminal case that criminal case mo interest da gerejo civil case ma yo buna interest because criminal case ya sado le chakli yeto en wa hetonu da na o ko gave ga kapon gbede yesiba awo untumi are matroji mu alumi o wanyan dova ka untumi moyi ga pere aka moyi ya majitio da criminal case ya magbana interest for nya na wo kaka wa yimo kiki kwa yimo
da ele good be ako egaya je be mi hwe because egama subo gama abu nyape agenda wa facilities do gede awu gede da gama je be mi hwe for day me fia be wa ko bo ko mele shop be go to punishment vida anwan na menye sigbodi ame si aman bo na figa no le yani na ho mele yola no vadoji an ko na be ne ahe azu ba me figa gbogbo ya back of the treasury bralo akwa play no kede ya le interest ne ka after 8 years we government jo le power ya nyabale kaka mbene kwebe kama ko tare te pa interest baji gbogbo ezu ya to kimi ko makuko na mi kimevo kimejua utaje be punishment ene no ine dicta moe yes even to be wa ko fe gakela wa save alo wa wonu kede kimi e choncho de enugbegbele ma de dekorache here wa nu be o wonu ke fola yes early ta ele very important na bele ko ejia yes if you be maybe yanto accept be iwo bodada because e ga no ne ba apply ko ga na de be na ko wanane kake wonto ko fo pe personal nu ke bia wo me ko wo me ba he ga che back interest e cho me ba he yes so essentially ta le ke ho be ile calling for playback e bit obo eno he fia is there eno ho be o allege be fia e nya be me fiu i me dafu itidi akoko fe a ke me already na me nya be efi baba would me have issues so na be me edit osubo from the Kunta mining issues we play Samra boy Kritoa enya osubo na tabe ko be nya osubo le cha drain we gachele yi afi we to be help chase so concentration ta drain we but be just recently abronya this che ya cho video ko be fifie ke fela me blender e je be no ne check up the UK Kritoa so I don't know how Edmole Agake has been I'm sure it's a very UK process there maybe you might wish na America say Agake at the end of the day to konami nyaba na he won trust way o public position there na way bene na zene do come view open nyonyo alo be tete no no tadi o che je be na zene do come view make zene ya ife de kako ao. It's a national service day. National service do allowance ma vow. The people are complaining. I got account women. Les agents. Que me the people are complaining. Is it fair? Ghana me gamelio. You have here Gavi que me pop me a call we are. I'm saying. Que me like government I can employ more giddy. Here Gakele Pavada leakage possible. In other countries where man this where job men work up for USA, Canada, men no go. Kimi na ya no so corrupt. Na bele kimi ya chemi lady like one. You have priorities where like stadium projects. For stadiums whether Africa lo Ghana be me to stadium ade enya no kesulu here idea. Even all African games clutch me organize ya. Yeah man. Me have to me podora. Yaka Morocco consistently for about 3 times. So tell Morocco host Afcon tournament where kakeno ko imese allegations over le osubo sibe nbo fifie ke Morocco ba Africa yo maka host that you when you move further. This is it. How they no to for them here.
Otowe.
Oh,
Morocco.
I'm beton you de.
That
resources.
Onye Islamic State. You so very Islamic and harsh.
Yes, yeah, not a bedi. They are not a new kitamel babe no to for them here. First off, open ya chame beton you. Ya oche open du ko open gogbe ya. Elevate na we. Tanuka jobe yes open CLE. Ele hash nyabe na fi government fe ga lo ko ga na be na ko na ya fi da sime ya dua e fe tule wa ba hede ho ta ho ko ga na onyale ke wa we no ko public position now de onyale ke wa we o take it with discipline and responsibility ka ke mi atole fia e do na me ko kwa ne gava o jebe misappropriating for buffer stock play issues whether the signal bureau play issues over subo. Meanwhile, these are government agencies who are Ghana, they did not say for the good of the people. He open safe. At the end of the day, taxpayers' money, all of us salary. Kaka udeka evakula, even I live luxurious lifestyle. I first class 200,000 flights. How on my way? Just about going transfer with position. My many bedi. I'm a qualify. I lead bedi. Kaka kwa na way. Then I say for the good of I'm a bubo mahoma to add no speedy kamamo. We are so better. That ekede is just serving as a notice. The near to in government fifty. Yes, the head position my hemi lady. Actually, me say you the Ghana toy. But the no alone ke ta ho be me no position. Actually, me say you the now because a choncho dey whatever account. Never account dey. Never done you dey amowa defend way. Never more done you dey. Sibeke wa quality wa defend way. Tane hemilia me say for the good of others. When you be me a zen, then me have the car, the doku nyenye, alo doku to digital. Kemi ne choncho, ne ho va yo alo he vale e ya mentua. Kimi expect ba mo no defend ya. Aw, that is a good lesson na me apete. Enu kemi he Morocco, the other white country nuke all Africa ho wa. Other African countries so me aton wo same day. Me aton we. Resources only, me away. Change of me no but it's a good one. Let's go through the process. At least I serve as lesson amegidi. Anyabedi ne government bega. O holum kona we na ko na pay interest ne do come future no ko jodi. Mazen then we talk. Ta kene zedi na nyabe egbela gbe ava hewa account. Ne odo be na account dey. Na already turn na account. Ne do come future no ko. Ta orale je dogoment. Gede kagbo kale papagbe ta yes question o mi no babiabo orade ami no babiabo orade ideology me search be amegede over plea bargain maybe you go through the process plea bargain o ga litowe me segede we be o eyiji sigbe just that maybe no go report them ba fully people okay ameki ga ke homeki
Susuka da fi report am about. You report am about.
Attorney
General over no press conference of we had in do bobo many radio station, TV station in your court. Tanya na ile court. Gaka mafia be no plea bargain na enter to akpoba paper am podare am mafia. It's evidence enough for us to see. You understand? You have to write. That you have to write letter date so you be your get a plea bargain. Allo be the court. You be the court. Judge rule by court. There should be plea bargain. Come daddy. Nima ruling man. We need all those things because orally.
Yes. Yeah. The RTI Genamo. So I don't request for information. Maybe they can papa. Request
no, Baba, it's oral by its nature. About operation recover all loot.
Yes.
By its nature, you are enjoined. Okay, because in the interest of the public too. Publish these things. Yet our publish near.
Yes, but
near court board watcho. Shadow ya court board watcho. Kaka Attorney General Boblome ye per cases you can court to any. But court it's a subset of the so many cases in that court.
Yes.
Comments are coming in. Maybe look for comments are an interesting comment. Very. So they knew all the criminal things they have done. And that's why they were screaming loudly that they will never hand over power. we shall see. All right, thank you for your message. Rex Domestic numbers. There was no plea bargain for the poor, hungry guy who stole plantain and is serving 3 years with hard labor today. His family could have paid for the plantain. Why should there be a plea bargain for the rich, greedy guy who still stole money? This guy must be made to face the full consequence for his crime. Imagine if it had turned out that Jachikwe had not denounced his Canadian citizenship but lied. Like, will these people give him the chance to plead again? They would have jailed him. The Attorney General shouldn't forget the evil people he is dealing with. Amo blajoko fi gakola amo po tension yen ki plea bargain. You see, that's the issue. But what shall it profit the state if it jails a man and loses all its money? Won't you mean the gala check no mistake man eko. Now won't you mean if you ask for my view as a journalist? If you as a journalist, ni mata never no one bubble, you do beji won bubble. I will not say but whatever. That be not her for her in a round of magic bench. You don't even consider ton crown. You can't go on a troro. That is just what it is.
Oh yes, Tamil Global. Yes, aside the plea bargainer, Minyabe Oma Joseph Bayao, go do maybe what reduce sentence la one now. But at least Kogave Gakene 1 instead of 10, alo 5 la for 1 year, then an about of alo 6 months, then about of near. Fine, Gake Kobe Nyape view at the car every issue there. But I'm a defia blajode. Kemi no fiabe mile priority na political the other we have probably maybe actually discussion for.
Okay, you see. I make a fee a blajode. O court o lena case for merit by merit. O way in a case for. I may make a fee a blajo. Ella yirashi. You bagba jembo blame da blajode a wafu. I will science a role like a language. O pona mokata jenajeshi. Afi to ganama. Now. No, now her for Ablajo atanye 60 cities, atanye 30 cities, atanye. Echo at a figure and I'm a dovo, unless the man no copmokpo. The one with dovo, amata dujua, but I go and say, me, not posama, a flew, amadali at a flew, no joke, what police, police. Amata flew like the mojo, let go, mathematic pogo. Alaba won't dovo like gapo for a maker. You know, there will not be any evidence.
Oh yeah, sure.
So this is the issue. Can gato a fee $6 million about time clothing. No more gamashi, no press, no dash about chagaji gadu, a Roman, okay, cotty, okay, jail, a gamalishi, that will flana systema, prison systema, that gatone, Lankusova vam. Gamma muta o la o gagné class captain. But example poma poga onyelo they no the kufana no newspaper aklama no TV pom ano browsing because gatonye I couldn't force a gadolenchi I feel retone jingo madan ko nkuma ko menya na nwa go so that is a way na nwa honorable I look at my treatment level. I don't have fufu. Done Emile, I don't have fufu.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't have fufu.
Have evidence now.
Oh, I see journalists nyanya manye.
Yes, because
that lay there a pogoba making yabu. I'm a many meal. Gatoni, a galashi, a gadam. Kaflalo, we are le Pioto Mobe ya mang joma o ha gama here no that one gadam ko with time ko all treats not preferential treatment my brother please there is inequality everywhere including prison and I'm only prison because lawyer I'm no issue criminal case obi about guilty or not guilty even a global not guilty even if you are guilty, so that they will bail you. Kakena nyabe guilty in a church emile. It about move ko ba. If you way, papa ya want to. But go second ma fi ayati amatabi. Because ususu gbo ni gbona na maye 5 year. Kwasi na game.
I never hear kakara out.
Ha. You see, kaka because council man la show, kaka make galaxy ko lawyer out. Ke fifia bona kota be let the police prove my guilt. Ke lawyer ke be sha ya mamo ngol. So from the beginning I just want about mawe ne. That be profit on vava kaka upon new jiun new afi or found guilty. You understand? So dynamics are in your I'm a mic feed more at dying money. I could have no gada sinchi and me cock tanga bobucho. You have marked with 100 city no nakuklo, a quick got trouble. That mean a cuckoo. The courts they know what they are doing. That won't to me a fagbo. Now subo. Neke fanedo alora we neke do neke be akebo kudi neke bo mnyaka no susomu neke ole yache obia a good one. Yeah, Emmanuel. Okay, we are going. Okay, maybe so that we could just conclude. Emmanuel Kusogobe, my brother Tony. Everybody knows this man called Chamamun to me in this country. This man caused a lot of problems in the country. He said, "Mama, wo bua," meaning, "Mama, you cannot do anything to me." So he must return all the money he took and show, and where the former finance minister, Honorable Ken Ofori-Atta, is. Yeah, okay, I think I get your message. Over here, I'm katam the mama, chibo mama, ubwa mama, for boys, what do for boys? Le kumasi bagba. That's where the problem is. So
yes,
that's what. So even about the plea bargain, none let me first screen lawyer the phone oko director na web. Oh, because when you nyapai ke nyamuduto na majiba make any expert na agreement. Lawyer the blobber even for you to afina be plea bargain. Nka nye plea bargain eke nya fuck badodo la fuck bame. Nya nkola plea bargaining nya fuck badodo. Ta olobe efin alo olobe hoga. Kake ina hoga mi ketane be akọ ni ne be hoga be awo me ba wo ta efia banka efimi alo zo ajogli ke na ho idama bo o matro gave ta lawyer ma gbogblombe afi na tro gama be ka tifia je na ho idama be ni ewo mgbeglo nye na ma ho idama mgbeglo nya ke ka fi ga tronve e je na notero jojo nyanyaji kaka that chairman want to me must plead guilty for plea bargain to succeed. So that's a story on Ghana Web and lawyer. Here, you should know, but you have a plea bargain. If you have not be guilty or not guilty, I just not go guilty. Like you be not guilty.
Maybe I talk at training.
I don't try, of course. Yeah. But that lawyer, Boglombe, Matagobe, a shy abbey mongblo. No shy, if for shy go jem, Ublom, and Pipito Blombo mongblo. That uncape plea bargain. Ye never uncape fail for Bain never do.
I feel like I don't know just obey. Shake it was all them.
I feel about a Tony. Yes.
To me on several occasions where even on radio when display gold bars where you go get a dog Mahamas Roy das Mekasa be a vala and make those comments where get and see some of these things, even though I feel boy, I had a better reputation, a great impression. Then to Madame and the family, where Casa Sonas, Megasa Nevala, Mama Media, and the host of issues were. But I think Malaysia for now, I realize though.
Na can't blow le TV ajima hanya blow you and go to Tonya blow. See TV Jimmy let another blog on my blow.
So I covered always the matter. So just have to. I will matter for me the best thing. Let me have me a figure. ni a home ape gabo ya fe punishment one la no ne because na come ape gale aba no fuma no ne 5 years one of ma kaka wa
gale shi ka gamade there's another angle to this issue gama ekele shi ye ke o ga ko wa ko dogole nyame. Do you understand? The justice system are like na judge abe $6 million. A kai na gahage. Vovon di bia. In na mahio ma moige ka vovon mali ka evaluate acho yo na yo jin na ka yo $1 million. Ma pako jigere because if you do not like big ta don ye ko 500,000 be amaga moige. But now next adjourned date, which is within 30 days. It's a criminal case. Every 30 within 30 days. Nagaku 100,000. Olumen vu kaka ohivo. Everybody if you are looking with time na quarter, a shaima noni, jiludu, esile shishi tade. Yafuma jimweto. Na yafuma jimweto le sugenui. Daka na if $6 million, $500,000 leave account me. You never jail lady. Na nyabe 10 years is just 6 years thereabout.
Yes, sure.
Ekwelade ta le prison calendar me ta yo yafuma e gayaleshi ta vie to haram bribe so aga no jin plus word full document. So these are some of the things that I know from my investigation and study as a journalist. Ekwela ta wo ga nyagal mo ko ga padine abelke mi va cases are okay attorney general ho no handle ma Justice Dr. Ayeni Tefiroma, which is another day's conversation. Erika Jirudu Yava, and this is Toba case had Royala, Yomechichi, cancer. Tane Umubla, the won't me penya unko next 2 years. Could you over job MPP? What a frame won't me Madalaba? And attorneys are they are not interested in the case.
So to wrap up.
No, but I bet to wrap up. Don't bring in the topic. You see, Attorney General, MPP, to Attorney General, NDC, Tova, you have a case book, even Cassella to force and Yama Kurentia, le court on ambulance. Kakomo da Shinja. Hello? Did they give ruling? To force an ambulance in Yako no Kotima.
About go to case, my
did the cause leave the matter or the government?
No, the Attorney General. No,
Attorney General.
Looking at the case, the Attorney General have the right to file for non protocol. No problem. Case lady, many here about with court every time. But I'm always the court every resources.
So for I
have the right.
So for Akufo, Judge Makpome Mille, young Makpome Mille, Ro, Big Down, Blihoma, in Yako quota from Dollar Huare, you can know Nanado Daku Akufo Adon, like H. Alaba Uhojujo. Kayo Hojujo. I won't know, my Macan and Adrango Akufo Aduba, Yagamelin Ochene, Amayokin Dollar Hojujo, in your hair cutter, and Yamarika Chachis, Majakumu. No, America Dojolo, Sabavers, Lesrikioji, Vice non at Ministry of Finance, and my McKenna for Amolier. I deba Jibia Akona Jibu Arabeha, and Yamaka Woto, Ika Hojijo. Ta Toba a jab MPP, Chinha, a denier G, Susu Agbolo, Lanya Temperament, it get at the Chinachi MPP Tonchi. Can you sing only her? A icono Sofia Kufu, them da abe. Pota vondola ikaba no tefena. Yanya mareke chachi tere jiru a lodu kopra mahama pe afore remonchi. Akabi ba sebo wa chia ba dando lodu motoreka ne John Dramani Mahama. Da takba hama ike Donald Dang ne tu kopra lodu motoreka oni. Bana baro mi agbo ni chohewa su chowa obara si dong fe ke ba imeke. Daka Mahama jiru ni mesio. Ma kumemila bo no ikaita ko para ma va jejemo nya jojo la o ma assassin radio ye konya abegba afi radio ma mi no ho kaka nya jojo halaro abagara we pleto wo peta no nya gbronya ko o traffic aloshi ta o choge bo wo we sasi radio ba gare nyonwe abo yo be o kun ma kle kan ko se mo ke jogo chopo ira si do man china ma ha ma ho ko gba ro ma ma e pe ke vai ma ke mi monsieur So we Akufo-Addo Rashid Donji as member of the Council of State. And Nyomia na resign for Ekeva Imeke Nyajiodua Service.
Babia Madi Nukuabe Meleshobe, the Council of State, I actually have a self-plenary to do all so. Now the president alone, the council, I actually have the right there who are announced. I mean the resignation. Yanto ele
that is according to you.
The good thing in your resign. Yanto resign somewhere last year. Abeya not abe public commentary do over no last year concerning the removal of the
former Chief Justice,
former Chief Justice Clayton. Yes, and where abe the whom believe in Amedope ideology Amedope maybe probably I know very difficult.
In fact, you know, just Chief Justice can to talk on them da o dako. But Makawe demagbe nedera. Okata o demagbe nedera. Yide ka. Kobe ngbegble yoko gboglombe ketu tokonu wa. Mekpe nene magbegbe bo ko didale yo pesangu. Yibe nyanya. Ngbegble yoko gboglombe ewa. Mekpe nene vevelia. Ajibo gbojiri waku mekple ado bejibe ma nyengbegle. Ta naza yo bumula glogodo mekpe o me do beji von han afio for madam ta yide ka yekugbe mo dako so awon ba ke do dan kutu e awon ba tewebule alo tewovo ra ro kira kan takere senyala wenye o do nyobe to kopla na kokoko amade ke anyi pa mena no fo ta bo mo ebo fo ta bo mo a sel de taguna sel katamuna me do kopla re ke o nyama onye nyaro blema eji globe ya yi mo subo do kopara ka po ala be ke nana do dan kwa kufa do gbe amewo do ojujo fo keke no ayi ponkum ne gbeni le na ma ke do kopara ya no for dem ai ba awe chiji apa the Supreme Court judge dededa e chiji apa because nyayo ke na Supreme Court are constitutional matters and I go say me constitutional if ever fo ta sepa goma masamasa o ko inafuma Circuit court can jail you 20 years. Even the smaller the cost, the more the sentence. Have you realized that?
So the good thing is that I ideology too. Minya fikucho, minya political minya. So there's no way I don't fit properly into that system. Because the SCA the former alone kidene no council of elders ta maybe you feel ya autonomy I was fine gake maybe probably the pahelia you probably over belief play and we are meso ya not be the capital fine so they have resign it's good still the country has to acquire LG nuzology fine the good thing be president I let do no come me let to come effective virtual me go full price like I did it drastically from 50 point something, I cover 30 point something. Imagine to come.
Yeah, do nyoa. Isiama mionto mi apes. That's a different topic we are bringing, and I'm not going to even waste time on that because there's so many comments. Isiama mionto mi apes Central Bank Governor Bobe. Umufachi. Ashife G play the dia. Menyo ne economy is bad. That at least there should be some subsidy. Prosube amina note. If you are about the devil, George over apply over again. Apply over if you are city sidionye. Afi mi va didim mi ashadi dimcho. Ke drive on go you go. You know, is that
this is the reality.
Never see how many economists.
Oh no, price at time no global for exchange rate volatility. I affect our businesses well. Kake now in the domestic or the nukebe. Me and Tommy have transactions where if Nanele Jojole outside allow international markets, you are benefiting the economy, here benefit the citizens ready. Will you still be okay? Even though government they have a need, then they are reduced, allow Ajag, maybe I reduce fuel price, we have a 13 point something. Kaka mi best stability than no 30, no 15. Then who here the government are about 9 CDC. Kemi anu because no, so some of ekitodi, yaw internal one and domestic me how the price in the ekitodi. Yaw aton. Let me Ghana build let me akpo vide the government ya mi vote na bedi. Government la mi afe tete no. Allo LVV dene. Ya na tabele he na ne he job. Hey, we have a Ghana, you no benefits. Yama look at the profit. Now your profit. The government there, I'm not better than 15. Give me the difference, Kimila, or the National Cathedral. Can you have a government la? Ghana, you no benefit, no senane, you yes, you let to call them. Right. Tahona did Kwame. No, I
topic, message about topic, Maro, message over. Kumabe, I believe her appointment was due to her vocal opposition of the MPP and President Nana Ado's detrimental DDEP policy ahead of the 2024 general elections. Takuma Gombe, I watch a sister Akufo-Addo, Nkabamna Akufo-Addo, Bawe, Pensioner of Gauhogono, Ye Tai, Mahama Nyonyabo, Chiro. All right. Yeah, women entitled. So let me read the comment. That Dumagaro message on Dumagaro the appointment of Sophia Akufo as a member of the Council of State in itself was an error from the beginning. Okay, Dumagaro. Okay, manya Dumagaro. Kaini yaro tuki na Dumagaro kaka. Dede na munko na nyo. Kama troma bioba na Dumagaro glomba Sophia Akufo ado ko champo de adangolo pe takpe hame. When no adandone du koplola enya fotata chokomo jajam make devoir but when I don't china make davoma make devoir. All right, another message. Godfred do message ram. Godfred were among the existing former CJs, that's Chief Justices, her appointment made sense. All right, thank you for that. Okay, Akins do message. Good morning, Tony. Great show, great interaction out there. We are learning a lot. Akins, baby, I'm sorry about that. Nepang Polo, when back to point on Nigim, over Nani, we had the Takia Tamana, me, Madamata. All right, Akins, where you give Yanam, but I want you all to know that her appointment is merely a constitutional requirement. This has nothing to do with the president liking him for criticizing the former government. All right, that's that. I'm going to remember a seven, the ban to my fiare Amara Hana Chok, Nanya, former Chief Justice. That way, Chief Justice okay, talk on where Yanyakuran.
About there's one name for Manke Michela, HMP Pipita. You're not about me much entitled to because I know Globe because Bear Leku no and look one Kufadu comment on it or Yanatama Manea no. Maybe an entitled by the thing is a constitutional right, constitution defined the former Chief Justice, the like of any member. So, no, Petila. Yes, a football. Yeah, it deserves it. Am I amenable? No question based on any political affiliation and all, but a CMA, no. So that is why when at the end of the day, for football, yeah, if may align, if a political, no, if views, if you may align with whatever the government, yes, we do a group there and group watch objective, open goals for aspirations, and look to Benoit. I don't want to toy. Die for Benelli to cover that. Men are lining you. The only thing I call Gildo, maybe I Benny Mele Habobom, I know Mele Cooper. The only thing I talk about that. So, am I fine? So, it's welcome.
All right,
it's welcome.
Thank you. May his good work. Okay, I responding. The message I responding to Togby. Victor but may his good work follow him. It is so sad that we lost one of our great leaders. May God give another man like this man. I learned so many things from him. Thank you for your message. We really appreciate that. Okay, Harry, do message them. Harry, Okay, good morning to you, boss Tony. For Tony again. All right, that's all you said. We appreciate your message, Maduk Banabo. Okay, comments are over to Facebook. Comments over Bank Papa Chanta, Majiba, Honorable Nanotor of Makoma, Akhle, commenter. Honorable Dr. Alex Segbafia, do message them on our first stream, and I want us to look at that. Okay, great job, Tony. Okay, good morning to you. Okay, Mary, Chua, then I had a message now. Good morning to you, Brother Tony. Keep up the great work. We appreciate that. All right. So, there will job so far resignation. Any protests? That's a big question. I think every journalist should be able to. Tanya so far people actually the don'tia do nyaipa jijomakpo de defia to kokola aleke o chok passes ko fo get to choko tokonu. That just the last question on that one.
Yo, Akbe, nyane me possible. Yes, every government actually have a new to be a policy and look at all who make it off for no position. Maybe one hope the door is genuine, Ghana, Biwa, or Paco Bodre. And a HFL group me. Yeah, football government plans where ya mele well aligned later. You maton, you maton what door. The title be why resign.
Our question might be very to couple do P when PGG Bramlabe a comochiam the council of statement Mikata green paper no kataosi ankova misi I make you originally comiga cho hofia no katu ntoba mega kecho volta region. We all hailed it. Tayo amo bubuma Ekologiji, chief of staff, Ekologiji, Ojidoliji, Fishafikologiji, Kokokorama. You know, why? That is a question. That can never be a don't you for political reasons how you can live it.
Is it a protest?
Mabede, to Kokorabo do Lugiji, do Fiabe, Sophia, Dave, GBB, Fia. To achieve the dead doama, Alabama, a Supreme Court judge, Elefma, you were grown as a former Supreme Court judge, but the Yopa practice my place, Sauma, Matem Adameda, the allegations, your ta o tabojidi, the cast turn out in protest.
A pobutata, Eleboglobe, le see ever he o competition ever. I made your lawyer, daughter, oh,
I'm a lawyer, judge.
Okay, yes, aside that, I make a torture who you say, Walla, lo, Senyala, ya chokwe. Obey there's ground, where established the.
And this is Senyala.
And when you're bedded, Nehe Ochehe lefimi, Yafubo, oh, if I make it, Yabano, look at Pila, if I make Ubano de Radi. What do you my Vivinao?
Yamabel lawyer,
oh, a photoni, mania photoni, you Germano, if you have a one about Tony, one who will accuse if you are Didi, Tania Duremes, Kakamino, if I see Colum and Abeleke, Panto Pilato, Quasin, and Emiko, and no Mitzinema, and Tibe, sick Beno, Jima. Tano, ta Emma, Ima, doji kurewo. Ima doji kurewo because
my bedo this is you have question ya bia mo question nyabuko na my bedo nke na misi do bilo we jamale
Ima jego ma me gronya lebe the
magai magbo nke na misi do dui
no kan na misi do ya gro na o melebe de Council of Elders which have open meet alole ki wa communicate
the problem is not the resignations are addressed to the president
yanto onyale ki wa communicate be to come if you are say
investigation as I do private over you don't want to call over la pam
at the right time eyi ke he hia be president ne nanunya alobe o le do de replacement da ne for replacement e for ke mi wa nya be o to come if you be am the council of state member ke resign o da for replacement eke maybe that is what president o le do wato that for now the enye maton state I'm not very sure but this is the reason ka ke change e nu ke manai be probably amede resign.
It's not good.
No replacement. Then all announced, okay, this is the replacement of Ameki resign by. At least it's too early. But I'm sure strategic reasons were.
Strategic reasons. Ona nye dukopola ye ona champion mawwa bono ye ne zualo na nya amuganto onchi pola na chamba moto play. Ye na nano me be magawe na masio. Emara si donche ne shiro ni ji
ya o de kabole na ne wo emereseso ya amegbogbo susu mi ame
ya we sia
let's be mi ame 12 ya o de kabe ya no wola ele vivio enyu na e ba susu ya la o be no
ya na mi o de mi to radio station ko mi je ko bubu to to radio station
ya o de
choose radio station.
Oh. Na no fia ba make mi tole fi mo le susu dewa. Ame mi tole fi mi ya o le susu dewa.
Je devais me la vie à radio TV mais bien belle mi le radio ji cho ho central avec mi ya momo yo unanimous si l'opposition lo ta ene mi va mi fu nya pa mo. What is so special about that ba mo
ameye ke hiva enye chief justice here amede na wetaga even the opposition kwachala o le jokporo pe do na recent by election mi be o NDC mi be o mi ape nukele eziji da mi agbo by election alo mi rerun sorry by election rerun le pandai o you the court the judge o
mbegbo nyo me mile amadu je NDC du MPP du je hon le eziji
le du ji hon le ke o go fifi ya pe wono
ogun ka
o fifi jo ya ta mi lo gbo rerun
Donald Trump 80 years ejo. And as his birthday gift, however, you Iran to you dashak banateva obu Strait of Hormuz.
Yes.
Anya guy ke kakaria katamata de ata ikama pa ami pashi edidige. Ye ma semi mila hobo bacho nyimanya ne correlation ale direct miaoke nyo sami jenfi pleto ko ni ke journal Russia Ukraine pleto makamia fio pleto gakegba correlation na jemia nwazo that wo Strait of Hormuz bu Trump is 80 but just 1 minute on his age and his health amanata ko 80 years anya president Africa pepo ike wo lesesin yi gbogbon yi action on na ma alo egble na la mvie
no yes elle strong elle fit elle no ta eno ya efia be mi a ntole ke mi kole bele na mi adoko ele vide because na le benado ke onyo dia area anya me amede man de le for 90 years kakeno china ba me ma for 90 o hata
le hoafia
le holefi abai de bibo court me le fi house en ke parks and gardens we fi man Saturdays we aba foka ka bo azo do akpo wa no so ejo bai ele 90 something kake me kwati de wi I depend like in Anthony Lebanon.
Davi amechichi atazu president.
Ebe?
Davi amechichi abe Professor Nana Jane how atazu president.
Oh yeah, sure. We signal wa doko. That is all. That we sell we talk about we sell we ya wodo. I would do find e Ghana to nya pojijo de nya pojijo be to na uta. The good one e be e ko be cho he o announce kula mi ko be there's some forest market oil price crypto other nukola. All hit video feeling, but a make statement and no make if you
about hit feeling.
Maybe the actual the impact I feel just without announcement.
No that but do fiaba mo fashi di dima alo ji. He come mia do ji ma do di.
Ami edidi anodidi.
Okay.
Because of that announcement. LMSA.
At his 80th birthday.
Yes, 80th birthday. Yeah, but for us, it's good news. He me go because under NDC I make blow and anywhere me have bees which I would grains wato Russia play Ukraine Tayana tabe opa synergy out. You make glosigo. There are a lot of things. Enuketa mi blobe in the sea that move Russia Ukraine la. Ne blobe biz passage over Russia Ukraine. In the sea that blola over Russia Ukraine. Meanwhile, mile blobe Russia Ukraine crash the bomb the landing a call like the open go the didi compared to Niawe. Because me globally, Russia Ukraine.
Just a quick one. So, Magwana, so we started already. A plea bargain does not constitute guilt lawfully. It is a negotiated process, not an admission of wrongdoing. So we started. If you have a wage, we are global well. Amada ata alombe yahefe nenya na wum. Kakamefia kukuba. You don't have to respond to that's his opinion.
No,
and license man as you kaka ulemle anyawasi instead of no balenam obey nava bail magbe maga ko lawyer matagobo okay you man no license man as you plus ube a favi kama taka as fine na mahi ko maju
na be ko nya ke emekoro kake eke ya here raise the license etovo ya me emeche ko ma me bro nya de be okay ewo oko gba fi agbobe efigbo ya echo be na ba meeting ya mi le wo kakaka enya be me fi o kake be okay leke he le no me to
ma khafa na ba majo eyimaration ma troige
ya he blosi gbede fifie kede no fi abe efia ya tabi awe
ye ta mi no via ola you don't digress la ta mi via ko blombe de ta mara ta go be ya khafa egbon bubu ata no da shin ya jo ige na ba wo to eyimali na yo me pia be fi gbon ya tebo
yo akpe
it's just the person's opinion
okay ya
ye mala jiolo ye mala Sylvester jiolo want to me I feel we cutting be shagbeta gabo lebe you want $1 million from Summer Boy Akunta Mining a day. I don't kuji agbe am apolo e be pon na $1 million a day. Ta ka gaba
le won to be jime be leke wa establish alo be innocence ele very important. Si we cho dey no gbe na mere be okay o ameke ele court ka ya bo ya ba hega I'm saying person okay if you have no choice ya tabe ya here
mi ape
ya ma ya ba ma
mi auto
oponya ki chachu pe issue a
ngai meliolo 1 seconds
an example they draw now be chachu be issue at a point ono pardon no play be it's been established be ya make sure be innocent la ele nuke ya le very important una be one be o pardon here o pardon be figure out demo o pardon case ever o da selonti kaka make sure be approve be right be davo so that is sigba no be to the side of the me come kontiema premier do kontiema ele be vede
nyare donc mara let my vote count for convenade olika bakavo mo we Ghana ne court ne ba gbiambo no bela ma afebo no da shama che ono kuma into no ba fam ne owonya abakari de be ado judge bovo judge ke nye virgin alo make bomudo ko alo nyenya tukara le gbegbe ta wo bail konko to hem na mo ta eje abe to he ke won tumi hokra esu ala be won tumi oligba boron kuti be afanyu maki oro ba no nyina ngba be ora kukulo 50 million cedis mele yo show leto babli afiva da shinchita bail conditions or the record to him na mo because that bail me le fiance ko 2 million 5 million elega mikpa
because I thought to that mercy ameji kakenya kemika no gbogbo nye be di depende nu ka miewo
akpe
bail condition o che wa va
I greet my pastor Reverend Johnson Ablime, the founder of the Light of Jesus Healing Church, and my mom-in-law, Madam Monica Boni, from Way. All right, Akbar, Baduna Macho, Emmanuel Kusogoni, Bobina, Each Chamachi, Honorable Akbar Ben Joragwe, and Muliza, Kakamano. Yet, Tony Maboni Akromi, TV Agbo, my joiner for one or more. Aku Gadashi Chomoke, no Magbanam, Alaba, Mia, Atu, one order, Edgy. Ne, TVI. Yamo non tata ojo maga trouble ke de baba emalo a chogandre mi adoko
That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs.